Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and if you guys are facing the problem of Snapchat verification code not received, well, you guys are at the right video. Because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix this Snapchat verification code not received. So basically this problem occurs like this. So I open Snapchat, I click on login over here. So basically I forgot the password of my account, right? I'm going to click on forget password. I'm going to click on via phone. Over here, as you guys can see, after I enter my phone number over here, it's going to send me a verification code to that phone number. So basically this problem arises when you do not receive your, code on your phone. So basically the problem behind this could be if your phone is on do not disturb mode or airplane mode. So if your phone is on do not disturb mode or airplane mode, then make sure to turn it off and try it again. And if you still do not receive it, then what you can do is check if your Wi-Fi connection is stable and your phone's network connection is stable, because if either one of it is not working properly, then you cannot receive the code as well. So make sure your SIM card's network, aka your phone's network, and your Wi-Fi connection should be stable. And after that, if you still do not receive the code, you can basically click on call me instead, because like after a certain period of time, after a minute, if you still don't receive a code, then there's gonna be an option called call me instead. You can click on call me instead, but if it also doesn't work, then the last option is close Snap like this, hold on Snapchat. After holding on Snapchat, click on app info. After you click on app info, you can click on over here where it says storage usage, click on it and click on clear data, and then click on clear. This is basically going to clear all the data and cache of Snapchat stored in your phone and reset all your setting and of Snapchat setting as well. And then basically go to permissions and make sure all this permission over here is turned on, just like this. And after this, just close this setting, open your Snapchat, and try to receive your code again. You should receive it this time. If you still do not, then the last option is delete Snapchat and reinstall it again, and it should work. And if it still doesn't work, then maybe Snapchat servers are down, because sometimes Snapchat server are down or under maintenance, and it may take some time for them to open their server again. So yeah, wait for 1 or 2 hours, and after that it should work. And that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.